sexual pleasure, repeat that. This is the movement of thought. Please, this is clear. See the beauty of it. How mechanically thought operates. And thought says to itself, I'm free to operate. Which thought it is never free, because it's based on knowledge. And knowledge is always limited, obviously. Right? Just watch it, please, carefully watch it. Knowledge must be always limited, because knowledge is part of time. Right? I will learn more. And to learn more, I must have time. Right? I do not know Russian, but I will learn Russian. It will take me 6 months or a year, whatever time. So knowledge is the movement of time. Right? Right? And so time, knowledge, and thought, and action. In this cycle, we live. And so thought is limited, obviously. So whatever action that thought does must be limited. And any form of limitation of thought must create conflict. Right? Anything that is limited must be divisible. Right? And we understand, come on, sir. That is, if I say I'm a Hindu, an Indian, that's limited. And that limitation brings about not only corruption but conflict. Because you say I'm a Christian, I'm a Buddhist, I'm this, which is limitation. So there is conflict between us. You understand? Do you understand? Yes? So, whatever is limited, and thought is always limited, because knowledge and ignorance always go together. Right? And thought is the child of knowledge. And therefore it's limited. And whatever its action is, that action must be limited, therefore it must bring conflict. And our life, from the birth to death, is a series of struggles and conflict. And we're always trying to escape from that conflict, which again becomes another conflict. So we live and die in this perpetual, endless conflict. And we never ask the root of that conflict, which is thought, because thought is limited. Please don't say, how am I to stop thought? That's not the point. The point is to understand the nature of thought, to look at it. And that's enough. Dopo domani. day after tomorrow.